What's up everybody? Today I'll show you how to use Opus 5 completely free using ClickUp. Access top-tier AI and boost your productivity without paying a single
Type
dime.
on Google search bar. Click up. OK. Click the first link. Click the Get Started button. It's free. Enter email address. We use temp.edu mail. I copy this and paste here. Click Sign Up button. Username Rohit. I enter password. Click Sign Up with email. Click check mark. I am not robot. OK. Copy verification code and paste it. Choose school. Choose randomly what you like. Skip this. Enter invitation email. Next. Skip setup. Choose Google Drive and click Next. Choose AI. Workspace name AI-website. Click Finish. OK, almost there. In the left sidebar, click AI. Skip for now. Here you can see remaining 25 uses credits. In the model section, here you can see few models display. Now you can see more models than before. What I did? I changed my location through this extension. I select Opus 5 model and type here. Create a website for selling accessories of car. Here says built it, this website, but it's not working. Then it provide me the direct link and preview of this site. Okay, let's see the website. Wow, it's absolutely nice. Click in the above, open in new tab. It's working perfectly. Add to cart, your cart. I want to add one more. Wow, it's work. I close this site. Here you can also use agent. Here, 1.5k uses credit for this agent remain. If you want to know how to use this agent, put down your comment. If 20 comments on this, I will provide agent video. So thanks for today.